Hi everyone, this is Business Hunters. Today I want to give a sincere review of this Nigerian website called Owodaily. I want to say categorically that it is not possible for you to make 5,000 naira on Owodaily jobs per day. That's what I want to be talking about here. It is not these little jobs that you do that you make 5,000 naira per day. It is not possible. But at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can actually make money on this platform. When I say making money, a genuine way of making money. That's what I want to be talking about. I will show you, apart from doing little jobs to make money, other things that you can do to make money is what I'm going to show you. Those guys that are showing you their big dashboard where they make 600,000 naira per month on Owodaily, make 140,000, 150,000 per month. There is a secret that they don't reveal to you. They are just dragging you into the website and they leave you to yourself. So from there, you get frustrated. You see that you can't go further to make any money. That's what I'm going to be talking about in this video. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, before I go further with these reviews, I want you to do me a favor. Subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to be part of our YouTube community. This statement that I made here is nothing but the truth. I am not making this statement because I hate this website. It is a wonderful idea that this particular person has brought to Nigeria, but the guys that are advertising this platform are not actually telling you the truth. So I will take you to my dashboard to show you the reason why it is not possible to do a little job on that platform and make 5,000 naira daily. So let's say you are doing a job of 15 naira. Let's say you do 15 naira job and you're doing up to 100 jobs in a day, which is not possible. This is how much you're going to make. But it is not possible for you to do 100 jobs in a day. So in what way is somebody going to make 5,000 naira daily on these little jobs? Besides, the jobs on the platform are not even enough. It is not even possible for you to do 20 jobs in a day, not to talk of 100 jobs. Though there are some jobs that are up to 200 naira per job, but you can't get those jobs available like 3 or 4 in a day for you to do to get to that amount of 5,000 naira that those guys are telling you on YouTube. But some of them, the dashboard they are showing, you can see like 600,000 naira they are making on a monthly basis. What they are doing is when they create videos under their link, their videos, they put a link there. It is a referral link. When you click on that link and register and pay subscription fee of 3,000 or 13,000 naira, they get huge commission from it. That is what amount to the big figure that you see that they say they are making. It's just on referrals. But you who is coming into the website with the intention of doing little jobs to make money, when you get there, if you are not able to do referral, you are not going to make any money on that platform. So the guys that are bringing more traffic and people are signing up are the ones who are really making money. So I will take you to my dashboard now to show you how it works before I now show you the real way to make money on this platform so that you don't just subscribe and lose your money. So okay, this is my dashboard. I'm already logged in on this dashboard that you're seeing. For today at this time, look at the jobs available here. This is a sign up. I need to click and go to this website and sign up for 200 naira. So this one is also another sign up job for 18 naira. So if I do these 2 jobs now, there are no jobs again. So when you check back later, maybe you can see some jobs that will be available maybe, but I can guarantee you're not going to do up to 15 jobs in a day. So there is no way you can make 5,000 naira in a day. Even 1,000 naira in a day is not guaranteed. I am telling you the gospel truth. It's not that I'm against this website. What I want to encourage Nigerians is that this website is a noble website. They should come and create more jobs. Maybe you advertise your YouTube channel, you advertise your app, you do other advertisements so that there will be enough job for people that are signing up to come and do. That's the only way that you can make money on this website. The best way that you can make money on this website is that on this website, let's say now, if you want to create a job on this website, if you want to create a job, let's say there are some people that are looking for, some people are looking for subscription on their YouTube channel or looking for more followers on Instagram or Twitter. You can get in touch with those people and say, hey, I can advertise your website and get you more followers. Per follower, I'm going to collect 100 Naira per follower. I'm going to collect 50 Naira per follower. But when you come to Owodaily to advertise it, you are going to get, let's say you're getting 50 Naira per follower on Owodaily and you're collecting 100 Naira per follower from your client. And you come here, you advertise your client's website, people go there and they subscribe. In that way, you're going to make a whole lot of money on this platform, but not on all these little jobs of coming to do one little jobs. That's not the way you can make money. So I actually gave my sincere review about this website, how you can make money from it, and the lies that some guys are telling you how you can do many jobs and make 5,000 Naira daily. That's all I have in this video. It is just my honest review. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to our channel. Click on the notification bell so that you can be part of our YouTube community. I appreciate your time. God bless.